day 3 of Italy. You're probably wondering, well, what happened to the first 3 days. We got into Florence on Tuesday morning, which we traveled all day Monday to get to Florence. It was a flight to Rome, and then from there we took a train to Florence, and we were there for 2 days. But I didn't really sleep. I really can't sleep on planes or trains, and that's what we took to get there. And we went out at night, and I just never really slept. I know, poor me. It's been a crazy few days, and I've been trying to figure out how I can best record and show you guys what's going on here, and I haven't really had much time to think about it. It's just been nonstop since I've gotten here, but we're not in Florence anymore. We're in Amalfi Coast, and we're going to spend the rest of our time here. I have today's Thursday, and we have until Monday afternoon in Amalfi Coast, so I definitely want to record more now that we're settled in, now that we're out of the city and we're into a more chill area. This hotel is it's beautiful. We are basically right on the water, and we're so close to the actual main city that it's like a 2-minute drive and we're there, and that's where all the shops are, the restaurants are. So this is like where we're going to be spending the rest of the week. There's a gym here. Yes. But yeah, so I'm going to get the drone in the air and get some really cool shots. I was thinking of doing a more like traditional vlog that I've been doing in the past, but I don't know. I want to get better at drone photography, and hopefully it's not too windy, but I'm going to throw the camera up in the air and see what I can get. We're by the main city of Amalfi Coast, and then there's another city right nearby that we're pretty much, I think the drone has enough distance to get there. I'm just going to stop talking and you're just going to see. But I hope you enjoy. It's been a really fun trip. I've enjoyed a lot of it. And yeah, enjoy the footage, and I'll see you soon.